Good afternoon, ma'am.
Using phone apps. Take a picture in front.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Though I had planned that we'll be meeting on Monday for the test or assessment that we had planned, but since Surbi ma'am is not well, I'll be taking up this class with you all. I think we are well versed with two types of letters, placing orders and cancellation of orders. Everybody is confident?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will take up the challenge of writing this letter and posting it? I want 5 students voluntarily. And choice is going to be yours. Anshika has already raised her hand, number 1. Come on, others. Let me see.
I'm placing order and
See, it's a choice. Either placing order or cancelling orders. 2 I have revised with you very nicely. So let me check out who are the people who raised their hand. Anshika, Devansh, Sakshi Mishra, 3. 2 more I want. 3 already with me. Anshika, Devansh and Sakshi. Come on, children, volunteer. 2 more. You have to simply share what you write. Either placing orders or cancelling orders. Raise your hands, otherwise I'll start selecting. Akshat Gupta, are you there? Shrishti is also come in. Very good. Excellent. Now we've got 4. I want 1 more. Anshika, Devan, Sakshi, Shrishti. Somebody from the commerce section, please. Akshat, would you like to try? Akshat Gupta, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm in the car.
You are in the?
Car, ma'am.
Oh, you are in the car. Oh my God, and still you're attending the class. I'm so impressed. So let us leave Akshat. Let's exempt him today. Let's pick up somebody else from commerce section. I don't think anybody from the commerce section ever comes for the classes. I'm wondering they don't attend literature classes also. This is the first time I'm taking this time slot. And I'm seeing there's nobody from commerce section. Does it happen often? Commerce section. Okay.
It is like this. I am alone.
Okay, never mind. Iti Azad has also joined us. So we have now voluntarily many students. Very good. So I have a good number of students who have joined. So we can have them to write. We'll give them their choice. Their choice in a sense that if you want, you can write a letter placing orders. And if you want, you can write cancellation of orders. Now, children, select very quickly and then start writing. Let's add Anshika. Anshika, what would you write? Anshika, what would you write, beta? You would place order?
order.
Placing orders. Devanshu?
I'm placing an order.
Placing orders. Sakshi?
Cancelling order.
Ma'am, I told cancellation of order.
Acha, Anshika is cancelling. Devansh is placing. Sakshi is cancelling. What about Srishti?
Ma'am, placing an order.
Placing order. So 2 for cancel, 2 for placing. Let's see if he goes to which team. Yes, Iti?
Ma'am, placing.
Placing. Children, now
Yes.
see what the game is. These 5 people will be writing and all of us will be checking what they write. We'll try and find maximum mistakes. Chota se chota mistake also. If there is any mistake, please find out. And then we'll have the winner for today. Anybody where we have the least mistakes will be the best writer for today. So how much time you want, children? Can we start? You'll type or you'll write on a paper and post. What is convenient? I think writing on a paper would be better for you. Alignment and all. Tell me how would you go for it?
Ma'am, writing on paper.
On paper.
Yes, writing on a paper and then you can post it, or if you want, you can screen share, whatever is convenient for you. And all of us will check. Everybody will be the person to check what they are writing. This is the best way to find mistakes. So that even if I miss out something, all the other participants will wait for them so that they can write. Other participants start discussing the format of a letter for placing orders. These 5 are exempted. They will not participate in this discussion. Others start, please. Akash,
Ma'am,
Akshitan,
Ma'am,
and
we can topic we
Topic?
can
yes, you only decide. Let's place order for something. What do you want to place an order for? Books we have done, sports items we have done, musical instruments we have done, tracksuits we have done. What else? Furniture we have done. What else can we buy for the school? Hostel. You can buy for the school.
Musical.
And plants from nursery.
Oh, that is interesting. Yes, we can buy some plants from the nursery for the school garden. This is nice. Chalo, she has given you the topic. Now decide the name of the school.
And ma'am, for cancelling order, we can choose by ourselves.
Yes,
ma'am for
entirely. All these
placing
5 students, yes, beta. These 5 students, it's entirely your choice. Cancel anything, buy anything, all your discretion. Other students,
ma'am?
please. Hmm? Yes, Srishti?
Ma'am, what will be the name of school and all that?
Beta, as far as name of school is concerned, all of you, again, I'm giving you your own choice. You want to write SR, you write SR, XYZ, ABC, whatever. This is all yours today. All your day, write anything. We've
Okay.
already got a subject to write, beta. These 5 students are exempted from the discussion. You people, come on,
ma'am we
start.
can write any topic on placing in order.
Yes, anything, anything. You are placing order for plants now. All the others who are not writing, this is what is decided. Oh, let's see if Miran is there today. Miran, good afternoon. Are you there? Miran, are you there? Or you've just joined and left or kept the mobile somewhere? I knew this. Prabha? Prabha, can you start? बेटा 1 o'clock वाली क्लास में ऐसे ही रहता है what? You people don't attend your classes 1 o'clock wala. You feel tired, sleepy. What is the reason? I'm wondering from the commerce section.
Ma'am, it is
Nobody
all
attends.
day.
It's like this only always. Commerce section, nobody comes at 1 o'clock.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, nobody comes.
Only 1 or 2 students.
This is very disheartening. Only 1 or 2 students come for this afternoon class.
Yes, ma'am.
1 o'clock, they go for lunch. Do they feel hungry? 2 hungry commerce students?
Don't know, ma'am. I am the regular.
You, I know you are regular. I have seen your sincerity today. You are so regular. Chalo, we'll wait for 3-4 minutes. We are coming up with these students. We'll be posting it. And we'll try, as soon as something is posted, try
Excuse
finding
me
mistakes.
ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am we can write any topic on any topic na.
Any
Placing in
topic,
order.
any topic. Yes, Peter.
Okay.
Anything you can purchase. And then they'll post it on the group and then we'll start finding mistakes. As many mistakes as we can find. That is going to be a target today. Others are confident, then why don't you people, or why you people did not opt today? Never mind, from Monday everybody has to write. Let us see who writes first. Other students, please be in the meeting. We are going to check what they are going to post. Beta, those who are writing, please remember it's a formal letter. So please stick to the word limit. Two students placing orders and 3 students cancellation. Monday onwards, beta, I'll put the names on the group. Whoever name is there has to write. There is no option, there is no choice. Has anyone finished? Not yet? Devansh, how much time more, beta?
Ma'am, little minutes.
You written? Now
No,
first check.
no, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ
Not
कोई बात
even.
नहीं आराम से write properly, check nicely before you post because then others will start checking. Try best that there should be no mistakes. Let me ask the other people as well. Anshika, how much time more, beta?
Ma'am, just few minutes more.
No issues. But make sure before you post, you have checked yourself first. Even if
Okay,
it takes
ma'am.
you extra, I'm fine. Let's talk to the other students. Iti, how much time more?
Ma'am, only 2-3 minutes. Ma'am, I'm done.
Please carry on. First check before you post.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, yes, beta, yes.
ma'am, do we need a line after writing sir?
Beta, it's your choice. If you want to leave, you can leave. If you don't want to leave, don't leave. Line is not an issue there. That's entirely your choice. Your marks will not be deducted for that part. But good, see it very nicely before you post. Because once it is posted, mistake found, -1. Very good. These children are at least cautious that they're checking it and rechecking it. Because once posted, it is posted.
Ma'am, we can write our name also, no?
Yes, Peter, you can. No issues. We'll have 5 writing sections to be posted very soon. And I'll also see other students also please see, find mistakes.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Devansh, you've done? You posted
Yes,
it
ma'am,
on
I
the
have
WhatsApp
sent.
group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the others who were not writing, including me, will go to the WhatsApp group and start checking whatever is wrong in Devansh's writing part. And please keep speaking out. This is wrong, or if you want, you can write on the WhatsApp group as well. Come on, let's go to the group and check. Others also, once you're done, let me know. See, Devansh has already written. Let's start checking. Let's go back to the group.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter.
ma'am, a mistake is there in the pin code of 6 digits, not 5.
Excellent. First mistake found. Keep counting. SR International School. Yes. Bareilly, he has taken the pin code 5.
Ma'am,
Continue.
but you have said that we can write XXX.
XXX. We
Yes,
can
ma'am,
write.
I have written.
So you've written XX,
Yes, ma'am.
not XX. But anyways, let us not deduct marks for this part. Next time we'll remember. At least he's trying.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Ma'am, I have also completed.
Ma'am, one more mistake is there.
Did you find any other mistakes, children?
Ma'am, one more.
Okay, very nicely, scan it nicely. What is that mistake? Tell me the other one.
Ma'am, in SR International School, all the words, all the letters of the starting letter should be capital.
He has not written.
Ma'am, I have written
S
SR,
R.
SR, SR
He's
capital,
written
I
capital.
capital.
Yes, I capital, S capital of school. So there, I don't think there's a mistake, beta. चलिए आगे देखते हैं.
Ma'am, ma'am,
yes.
after sir, the indenting of I is wrong.
After? Sir, yes,
Sir,
very good.
the indenting of
Excellent, excellent. The first major mistake, or rather I should say the first mistake that we have found is this. I told you extreme left. So the I Devansh should come immediately below sir.
Ma'am,
Okay?
below sir it is.
Ma'am,
No, it is not.
Ma'am,
There are two speaker space somewhere over here. If you see, it is not to the margin. This red line which
okay,
you
ma'am.
have is your margin, no? So
Yes,
it should
ma'am.
be
Ma'am, we
towards
have
the
to write towards the margin only.
no, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Always to you post whoever has written, please post. One mistake we have already found. Anything else?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, not leaving line or leaving line will be counted.
No,
as
that doesn't make a difference. No. Books at
Ma'am,
reasonable rate, yes.
I think he forgot to mention about the discount.
Ma'am, I
Maybe
have
it
written
doesn't.
Ma'am, I have written 20 to 30% discount.
17th October 2020. Let me read the entire one. And the payment should be made done by check when the school will be satisfied.
Ma'am, school librarian.
Beta, one more mistake I'll tell you. Acha, will be satisfied by the librarian. Why did you leave the space librarian wala line mein?
Ma'am, I have written downwards.
No, I'm
By
talking about
the
ऊपर वाला
school
librarian.
librarian.
ऊपर वाला. Satisfied by school
The
librarian.
school, yes, ma'am.
Acha, school is coming down. Okay, double jagah school chala diya. Okay. Thanking you, yours truly, Devansh, the librarian. Children, how many? One major mistake was the one in alignment. I think only one. Anything else? Just one, I suppose. Let's move on to the next PDF that is posted on the group.
Ma'am, in the
That
pin
is-
code.
Okay, the next one that we have is Sakshi Mishra. Start checking Sakshis very quickly. ABC Public School. Keep checking Sakshis. Let's find mistakes. Cancellation of order number. Fine. Kindly cancel the order dated September 28 with
Ma'am, that's
unknown
September 20.
and medicinal plants. Okay, it was to be delivered on. Please find mistakes in this. You did not comply with the delivery date. Yes. School is hosting a flower exhibition.
Ma'am, in Devansh's letter, he didn't mention about the to ensure the quality or the condition of products.
He's not bothered. He's a rich man, it seems.
And
He doesn't-
the quality and conditions for exchange and refund.
That he has not mentioned. So we'll make it 2 negatives. That is why we are cancelling this order. Kindly acknowledge the receipt of this letter. Thanking you. Yours sincerely.
ma'am, she mentioned order number 2 times.
She has done what?
She has mentioned order number twice.
Ma'am, but it's in the content and the subject. Subject is also necessary.
See, beta, we cannot cut marks for this, but avoid repetition. You could have simply written the above order. Okay? But then we cannot take it as a negative fact that we can cut your marks for this. We cannot cut marks for this. But I would suggest it is always better. You could have simply written the above order, to bhi chal jata. But then if it is not wrong, writing part of view, grammatical point of view, I'm not finding anything wrong in this. I'm not finding any mistake in this. Is anyone able to find something? See,
Can
nice.
we use the abbreviation for October?
No. Has she used? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God she's not. Otherwise, she would have lost marks. We cannot use this. Remember, we cannot use this abbreviations. It's a formal writing part, beta. So avoid using these things. Please find if you are able to find anything. I'm seriously not able to find any mistake in this. You people find? Nothing? Should we approve it and go further to the next composition?
Yes, ma'am.
No mistake to be found in Sakshi's part? Okay, let's go on to the next part. The next is Srishti. Let's check quickly for Srishti. Then we'll check it is. SI International School, Bareilly. Please check quickly for Sakshi. Following are the specification of the orders. Conifers, seasonal evergreen flowers. Okay, quantity is very clearly mentioned. We would also like to avail a discount of 20%. Payment would be made on check after delivery of goods and checked by the student committee. Okay. Further, please ensure the quality of
Ma'am,
items. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
there is an abbreviation for October.
ma'am, what does this mean that you did not inform us either?
आपने बताया भी नहीं. That it means. अगर
Okay,
late हो रहा था तो कोई reason बताना चाहिए. So let's cut 1 mark here. October she has written OCT. No abbreviations to be used. Though I find it very bad to cut marks because you've written very nice, perfectly, बहुत ही beautiful. Everything care she has taken off, but one slight mistake. See, beta, I will cut mark today. Next time ever in your life, you will never do this mistake. Devansh also, he will remember whatever mistake was done today and why he lost his marks. So this is the only reason. Otherwise, beautifully written, beta. Chali, let's move on to Iti's quickly. We still have 10 minutes, 5 minutes we'll get for Iti, 5 minutes for Sakshi, this next child, Anshika. Let's see what has Iti written. Quickly, let's see what Iti has written. Please find mistakes in what Iti has written. Placing an order for books. Okay. Book name is mentioned. Publisher is
O
mentioned.
and B is in small. Ma'am, O and B in the subject is small.
Placing an order for books. Yes, my child.
Says
Very
well.
good. Yes, and for not needed, but order ka O should be capital and books ka B should be capital. So one mistake in capital letters, she's lost 1 mark. But
And
you
ma'am,
people
she
have,
has written dear sir.
it's okay. We can write DS. I told you you can write. You want, you can avoid writing, but you can write also. Marks cannot be deducted for this beta. All the books should be in good condition. But I'm happy to see that you're trying to cut maximum marks that you can cut. The payment will be made by, once the books are, teachers, the send bill. Very nicely, beautifully written again. The order will get cancelled in case the order is not executed as per the stipulated time. Thanking you sincerely, Rama, librarian. Anything else except for the capital letters? Nothing? I did not find anything. Anybody has found something? No. So, Iti, one mistake. Devansh also had 2 mistakes. Srishti, we have not found any mistake till now. We'll check
ma'am,
again.
one. Ma'am, Devansh,
Acha,
one.
chalo, one. Okay, okay. Anshika Singh, let's go for the last one, Anshika. We'll check Srishti's again in the last. Maybe we are missing out on something because ऐसा बहुत rare होता है that there is no mistake. So we'll check again for Srishti's. Let's check now Anshika's.
Ma'am, there was a mistake of October abbreviation in mine. And ma'am, the sapling word, ma'am, no capital letter in S.
There was a mistake. There was one in which there was no mistake. Which one was it?
Ma'am, Iti.
All
Sakshi's.
Ma'am,
Sakshi's.
Iti and
Ma'am, in Sakshi's there were no mistake.
Beta, in Iti we found one mistake of capital letters. I think Sakshi we could not find the mistake, no? First let's check Anshika's, then again we'll go and check Sakshi.
Yes.
But ma'am, in Sakshi, ma'am, after every paragraph, she is leaving a line.
We'll go back and see what Sakshi has written. Let's first
Good.
quickly check what Anshika has written. First, let's check Anshika's beta. She must be waiting. Let's check quickly. Cancellation order number. Let's read what she has written.
Ma'am, there is no hyphen after subject.
She's not put those dots here. Let's read something else is missing in the letter. Let's see the body of the letter now. Last date of delivery. It has been more than a month. Okay. Inform you that the items ordered. Okay. Kindly acknowledge receipt of this letter. Nice. Physical education teacher. Very good. Yes, children, find something.
Ma'am, after
Ma'am,
subject,
in books also
Sports
after
need-
subject.
Ma'am, thanking you.
Thanking you what?
Ma'am, it's missing.
Ma'am, it's not compulsory. As on in the letters.
See, beta,
exam,
it's a business letter. It's a business letter. It is not compulsory to write. We are giving them, we are cancelling the order or we are stopping our further business contacts with them. So you may, nothing to thank them for.